Hey guys, it's Patty here again. In this video, I'm just quickly going to show you the 4 best things I've bought on Craigslist. I know Craigslist is very shady and it's a bit scary, but where I am, like the police station, they have like cameras where you can buy from someone and also sell to someone at their place, and everything is getting recorded. So I've been able to find some great deals on there. So yeah, so I'm going to show you the 4 best things I think that that were the best purchases that I made on Craigslist that has helped my place and the little garden that I'm trying to make. Hey guys, so like I said earlier, the 4 things that I bought from Craigslist, one of them is this couch over here. This couch is actually from Craigslist, and I have to tell you, thrifting is so amazing in Connecticut. The one thing I will actually tell you is that when you actually get a response from someone on Craigslist, based on the state you are, you want to look at what town they're in. So in Connecticut, I'm in Guilford. I actually try to buy from people that are in very affluent towns. I'm not prejudiced or anything, but I feel like I'm gonna get the best deals from there. So this couch I bought from a couple that were getting divorced on Craigslist. They had owned it for 2 months, and I ended up paying, I think, $350 for the entire couch and the top foams in it, not the British pillows. They bought it and they thought they were gonna keep it for a long time, and then ended up deciding to divorce. So it was their loss was my gain, and it's something that I love so much. Buying a house comes with a lot of expenses, and the one thing I wanted to do was to be very frugal. So this was one of the couches that I got from Craigslist. You know, and when I went to Raymond & Flanagan, I think it was on there for $850, and I ended up paying a lot less for it. So this I consider one of the best buys from Craigslist. It's not dirty. It wasn't dirty. I got all the pillows and everything, and they were so kind to me and decided that you know, they actually reduced the price a bit further when I told them my story about how I had bought a home and I was just trying to be frugal when it comes to like sort of furnishing it. So this is one of the things that I got from Craigslist that I absolutely love. Now the next thing I'm going to review is this table here. I think I have the listing for this original table. I'm actually going to try to insert it if I find it, but I had to sort of do the cover for it because I wanted something blue and white. But this here was being sold in a set, and the woman that was selling it didn't have, like, she was moving to a condo. She lived by the water in Guilford. She lived on Mulberry Point, and she couldn't fit this in her new condo, so she decided to sell it. I think the original listing price was like $250, and I ended up paying $100 for the table and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chairs. Okay, and then the original fabric was not this color, but I went on Amazon because I wanted something sort of country-like, and I bought a fabric, and then I just sort of took this off and just refabric this. So this cost me a lot less, and it's one of the best buys that I think I've gotten from my home. Now the third thing I'm going to review are these little things over here. Oh my goodness. So this I paid $5 each, and these things weigh so heavy. I haven't decided where I'm going to use this right now, but I'm creating a bigger garden, so I know these are gonna come in play. But this was $5, so $20 each, and these must weigh at least 30 pounds. Okay, and the lady was in Madison, Connecticut, and she just wanted to get rid of it, which actually reinstates my point that you want to actually find out the town that someone is selling from, because I feel like Connecticut has such like rich towns that you can get like crazy deals. If I tell you, I have more thrift things that I got. I have actually the country gate I'm going to use for my gardening. I get it for like $50 each, and these things cost over like $1,500 more. People just want to get rid of it. Okay, so these were like $5 each, you know, and they're so heavy. I have 4. Originally I wanted 6, but I just figured 4, like I'll take 4 because I don't know, I haven't decided where I'm going to use them. Hey guys, so this is the 4th thing I'm going to talk about. Do you see these massive planters? I got them from Old Saybrook, Connecticut. Okay, there was a couple that had a beach house and they just wanted to get rid of it, so I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There was 7 of them. I sold one for like 500 bucks. Okay, and these planters are what is considered estate planters. All this from Craigslist. Okay, and when I got home after picking this up, I asked the people, are you absolutely sure you want to sell this? And he said to me, my wife hates it, I need to get rid of it. Okay, so here they are, and these are the sort of planters that towns or cities use. It's so huge. Okay, somebody said maybe I should donate some, but you know, listen, I'm just starting out, I need the money, so I'm just gonna sell them. They go for like $2,000 if I were to sell them on eBay because they are massive. Look at the height of these planters, right? And look at how wide they are. Right now I just have 2 sitting in my reading area, $10 each. And I actually I sort of advertised briefly, and a couple in Westport, Connecticut wants to get 2 of these. That's why I'm painting them, and I'm going to sell them for $1,500 per box. Okay, so yeah, so I started painting these I got for $10, and I'm going to be selling this back because I need 2 more because I have a pool area, but 2 of these are going to Westport, Connecticut. But like I said, these boxes I got from a thrift store for very inexpensive prices. And this is what I tell you, if you are looking for products, like if you're looking for something like thrifting or anything, and you are in Connecticut, go on Craigslist or the Goodwill in Westport. I'm going to be doing another video because I've bought so many stuff from the Goodwill in Westport and have sold them on eBay for a lot of money. So look at these 4 boxes, $10 each. Okay, these massive boxes, $10 each, and I'm going to be flipping them for like a lot of money. Okay, so yeah, so these are my reviews on things that you can get on Craigslist. If you are in Connecticut, most police stations have places you can meet people at where the cops are going to be there. It's going to be recorded, so you don't have to be afraid for your life. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this video and you actually get to check out Craigslist. If you have any more questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it, and don't forget to rate and like it before you leave. Okay, I will see you again in my next video. Bye.